Hello all and welcome back to my channel. I am Paige, and do you guys remember this old phone case? We painted over a crappy flimsy clear case with acrylic paint and sealed it, and it was pretty successful. But I saw a super cool phone case on TikTok that I wanted to give a try. We are using a clear phone case and embroidery to make an embroidery looking phone case. The concept is actually really simple and I am so excited to give this a try. And if you are interested in seeing how it turns out, please continue watching. As I said, first thing you need is a clear phone case. You could get one that is just totally 100% clear plastic. I actually opted for one that has a black border, so I don't have to worry about the edge of my embroidery. But it does just have a clear back, camera hole, so you can see the color of your phone, or in our case, our embroidery. I also have just this like muslin kind of cloth. It is plain white for me. If you want a colored one, go for it. Once the fabric is in my hoop, I am just gently tracing around the border of my phone case and tracing out the hole for the camera as well. Once I have a pattern all drawn out, I'm just gonna start embroidering. Since this is such a small area, I'm using probably no more than 3 embroidery strings at a time. Once the embroidery portion is done, I am just trimming out the phone case. I am leaving a little bit of extra here around the edge because I can always trim more off, but you can't add more on. Here's the finished embroidery portion. It's kind of comical, not in the phone case, but I'm just gonna set it in here. If you want this to be more permanent, you could always adhere your embroidery down, but if you want it to be interchangeable, maybe just like double-sided tape or something to make it stick. And here is the final phone case. I think it's really cool. And in all honesty, my phone does not fit in this case. And it's because I used French knots here. I tried to not make them super thick, but there was not enough wiggle room for me to be able to fit the phone in the case, and it doesn't lay flat. So lesson learned, don't do French knots. I guess I could always try to give it another go because I got a clear one. I got a clear case for my tablet as well. So no French knots. Here are some shots of this piece out in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's craft. If you guys enjoyed it, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I tend to post videos on Fridays. I also have all the materials that I used in this week's video and links to my social media in the description box below. I'll see you guys all for the next one.